The last thing we need to talk about in this unit is files, workbooks, and worksheets. A workbook is the name of the entire program that you're in. Yes, this is Excel, but this thing is the workbook. This is what you're working in. A workbook is the name of the entire file. You find the name of the workbook right here. Now, this is kind of a default name because I just opened up a new workbook and it's already labeled Book 2, but I can save it as any name that I want to name it. Worksheets are what you work on in the workbook. Kind of like if you have a school, if you're in school and you have a workbook and you have the pages that you work on in the workbook, same thing here. The worksheets are where you enter the information. You can see which worksheet you're on by looking down here in the bottom left. So for example, this is sheet 1. Let me add some more sheets here. So I have worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3, worksheet 4. These are different worksheets, but notice the name of the workbook doesn't change. That's going to conclude our first unit, Unit 1, Introduction to Excel. As you go through, we'll take you from a level of basic to no understanding of Excel to being intermediate to advanced level. Our goal here is not to only have you be able to use Excel the most effective and efficient way possible, but also to be able to sit down with confidence for the Microsoft Office certification, the Excel Core exam. Until our next unit, have fun studying out there, and goodbye for now. For even more great tutorials and our complete catalog of online courses, please visit us at mrfordsclass.com.